Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we write the captions or the subtitles of any video in Camtasia. So for that, let's listen the video first.
No, we are not allowed to have chocolate. Our trainer doesn't allow us to have chocolate.
Okay, so to add the captions, we have to click on this annotations. Then we have to select and drag and drop it here. Now let's write something. We are not allowed to have
No, we are not allowed to have chocolate. Our trainer doesn't.
Okay, so let's play this.
No, we are not allowed to have chocolate. Our trainer doesn't allow us to have chocolate.
Okay, so this way guys, you can add any captions or subtitles in any video in Camtasia. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.